Now we take Newton-Raphson method, and it is a very fastest one. So basically, the idea here is like this. So suppose this is the exact root, this is the function, and here what we do, this method is called open method. That means every time we don't have any interval in which the root lies. Okay, so we begin like we would find to root of the equation f of x equal to 0. So we begin with some say number x here, some point say x0, y0, or you can say f of x0. So x0 f of x0. So here we are taking the approximate root. We begin from here. Now what we do, we find out the uh, tangent like this. So, so the idea is like this. So this is exact root and this is our say x. So here what we do, we find out the tangent at that point. At this point we find the tangent, and where it cuts the x-axis is our next approximation. So that is the basically idea. Now we know how to find out the equation of tangent. From 12th standard we know like y minus y0, that is f of x0, equal to slope, and slope here is f dash x0 derivative into x minus x0. Now if this tangent cuts the x-axis, then y is 0, and our next approximation is x1, so we write x as x1, and if we simplify this, then we have minus f of x0 equal to f dash x0 into x1 minus x0, and so that is nothing but minus f of x0 by f dash x0 equal to x1 minus x0, and therefore x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash x0. So this is the approximation. We continue this process, and if we continue this process, we are having like this: xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. So this is the formula for the Newton-Raphson method. We can solve one example. It's easy. So let us solve one example. Find the root of an equation x cube plus x minus 1 equal to 0, correct up to 4 decimal places. Take x0 equal to 1. So you are given, you take x0 is some value. So let fx is equal to x cube plus x minus 1. Now what is f dash x? So it's the derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. So we have 3x square plus 1 as the f dash x. Now we need x0 equal to 1. So we need f of x0, that is f of 1. Keep here 1 here. So we'll get 1 plus 1 minus 1. So that is 1. Then f dash x0, that is f dash 1. So keep 1 in f dash. So that is nothing but 4. And now x1, first approximation is x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash x0. Do remember, this is like this when you use the calculator. So this is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 4, and so that is nothing but 0.75. This is our first approximation. Now next we find the f of x1, that means f of 0.75. So use the calculator and keep 0.75 here, 0.75 cube plus 0.75 minus 1, and you will get 0.171875. Same way we need f dash x1, that is f dash 0.75, so that you keep 0.75 here, 3 into 0.75 square plus 1, and you will get 2.6875. And now x2. So x2 is x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash x1. So this is 0.75 minus 0.171875 divided by 2.6875. You use the calculator and you will get 0.68605. Now the next step is f of x2, that means f of 0.68605. Keep it in the fx you are having x cube plus x minus 1. Use the calculator and you will find this is at 0.00894. If your calculator shows say 10 power minus 3, suppose, then it is 0.00 and that number. Same way find f dash x2. So f dash 0.68605. Keep it in f dash here, 3x square plus 1. So you will get that as 2.41198. When you get the value of fx very close to 0, then you should understand that now you are approaching to the correct answer. So then x3 is x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash x2. So 0.68605 minus f of x2 is 0.00894 upon 2.41198. Use the calculator and you will get 0.68234. Now next step is find f of x3. f of x, that means f of 0.68234. Use the calculator and you will find that 0.4 times 0.0000028. So your calculator might show 10 power minus 5. So then you write 4 times 0, okay, and then the number 2, 8. Same way f dash x3 is f dash 0.68234. You keep it in f dash 2.39676. You have to put it here in f dash 3x square plus 1. You should verify each and every step. And x4 equal to x3 minus f of x3 divided by f dash x3. So that is 0.68234 minus 0.0000028 divided by 2.39676 and use the calculator. You will get 0.68233. Okay, so we can consider that the root is, you want 4 decimal places, so therefore required approximate root is 0.68223. Thank you.